There was a grandmother that during the ice storm we had recently, she was sleeping and heard a loud crash, came out, and another car had slid down the street into her driveway and hit her vehicle. And she was just so upset. She called us. Within a couple hours, we picked up the car for her. We kept her updated, and she just couldn't say enough wonderful things on how easy everything was for her to go through the program. She was just so happy that her grandchildren were now going to be safe because she was taking care of her car so quickly. The Car Easy program is very easy for the customer to use. We arrange their rental for them, we arrange everything for them and keep them updated. So the customer is really free from all the responsibilities of where they're going to go, what they're going to do, how are they going to take care of this. It's all kind of explained to them and done for them.